extra mature cheddar. Here we go. You have a little chunk like that, and that's 304 baht for a very, very small piece of cheese. So anyone that's coming over from UK, they could pop into Aldi and get me a couple of blocks of mature cheddar. I'll pay you for them if you bring them over. Might even buy you a beer. Hello, Cheap Dave here. Part 3 of my Big C walkabout, waiting for the rain to stop. Big prawns there. What looks like mackerel to me. They look alright. Crab, and we've got redfish. So I'm going to call them red snappers, because I've just heard about them on the internet. But all kept nice and deep in the ice. We've got salmon fillets there. We've got some big old fish there. Nice. It's got to be nearly 2 foot long, maybe more. Now, all in front of this lot, so they must be salmon. Decent sized salmon. Doesn't say where they're from. But yeah, get the idea. So we've got the meat counter here. Here's the cheese counter that I missed. So let's just give you an example. 249 baht for one piece of cheese like that. Let's have a little look for one that I would know. So here, let's have a look. We've got the Swiss cheeses, extra mature cheddar. Here we go. You have a little chunk like that, and that's 304 baht for a very, very small piece of cheese. So anyone that's coming over from UK, they could pop into Aldi and get me a couple of blocks of mature cheddar. I'll pay you for them if you bring them over. Might even buy you a beer. Okay, so this is part 3 of my walkabout Big C while it's pissing down outside video. So we've got the Warburton's crumpets here, 99 baht for a pack of 6, I think it is. Is it 6? Oh, who's in it? So for them, yeah, 6 crumpets, 99 baht. So 30, 43, 86. So just over 2 quid for crumpets. Let me know what the price is back in England. Be interesting. There's all the frozen stuff here, the sausages and Christ knows what. You can have a look. I'll walk slowly along so you can see. But it'd be interesting, the things that I know, like Warburton's and the cheese and stuff like that, what the price is in England now, because it's 2.5 years I've been away from England now, and I've heard the prices have gone through the roof. Let me know if that's right or not. So more eggs round here. And we're more into the frozen area. Yeah. All the cheeses over here. But it's not cheap. Oh, we've got the sausages here. English sausages. They look like the same brand that they do. English beef sausage. Hold on, I'm trying to see the prices. You have a look. Tell me what you think. steaks and the bacons. Oh, that's fresh pork. 294 baht. Okay, let's have a look through. We'll get away from all the fresh stuff. We'll go and have a look at. So you got Yorkshire tea here. Yorkshire tea 339, PG tips 799. All the different cereals here and the different jams. Let's take a walk down there, see what we can see. So we've got the spaghetti sauces, 229. Just a very small jar there. Tomatoes and olives, 165. All the different pastas. So there's your prices on them. Whisper bars. You can get 4 whisper bars for how much? Whisper bars 119 baht, so just over £2 again. You know, with peanut butters and the jams, and you got the Kellogg's stuff and the McVitie's. You've got the gravies, you've got the Bistos and the HB sauce, the Daddies, you've got the chili con carne in the cans, and the cup of soups. Yeah. Cider vinegar, apple cider. You've got the Leon Perrins Worcestershire sauce down the bit bottom there. All the different olive oils and all the different pasta sauces. So you get a big bottle of pasta Italian herb sauce, 104 baht. You've got all the different pastas down here, all very good prices. So I could sit and have pasta and sauce, and it's going to cost me very little. Now you've got the baked beans here, 99 baht a tin or 79 baht. So then they're not too bad. If you want rice, you've got all of this choice here, stacked up. Obviously part of the staple diet here in Thailand. So you can see all these different rices, loads of different prices, all down underneath it, 177, 189, not a clue what the difference is, 219 there. Yep, but lots of different rices. Behind you've got all the different oils, like the sunflower oil and stuff like that. So yeah, and the sugars over there. So yeah, and I've done very, very little of this shop. We'll do another row down here, see what we've got. We've got the equivalent of pot noodles here. You're getting 57 for a bag. How many are you getting in a bag? 3 in a bag. So 3 for 57 baht. So nice, cheap way of eating. If you're on a budget, you just have the noodles. These are the noodles if you want to make your own sauces up. The glass noodles and the spaghettis and the pastas, stuff like that. Even more pasta sauces here. and different noodles all the way down here. So another staple in Thailand is the noodles. I think people like them because they're easy to make, cheap to buy. And more chocolates, Lottie chocolates, 60 baht, so about 150, something like that. You don't hold me to these prices I'm giving you, because I do tend to make things up as I go along. Oh, ambrosia rice pudding. Oh, no, ambrosia custard, 93 baht. So you're getting 43 to the pound. What is it in England? Is it cheap here or is it expensive? Because they do have to pay an export tax here. So that's why the British things tend to be a lot more expensive. So we've got different gimmicky toys here for the kids. All different chocolate bars down here. Right, we've got the cold remedies, like strepsils and stuff like that. So you can have a pack of strepsils. Let's have a look. Just one for 41 baht. You want the bigger ones, 72 baht. That's honey and lemon. Not a clue what they are in England. All different sweet biscuits, they're very nice. I used to eat a lot of them. But I've got to start watching my weight again now, which is a good thing. Put my weight back on. But now I've got to keep it down to somewhere around what I am now. All the different crisps. Okay, so that'll be it from this part of the video. So please like, subscribe, press the bell, and I will be back with some more junk tomorrow. Thanks for watching.